top 5 apps like Ross Siemens jewelry reviews that actually work today. If you love jewelry, you know the thrill of finding a beautiful piece at a great price. Ross Siemens is known for luxury deals, but there are apps that give you honest reviews, great craftsmanship, and secure shopping right from your phone. Number 1. Blue Nile. Famous for diamonds, certified stones, and transparent pricing. Reviews emphasize customer service and quality that stands the test of time. Perfect for engagement rings or special gifts. Number 2. James Allen. You can view diamonds in 360 degrees before buying. That means you see exactly what you're getting, no surprises. Shoppers love the clarity and confidence this brings. Number 3. Isles. A trusted name with strong warranties and frequent sales. Real user reviews help you spot the best items during seasonal promotions. Number 4. Pandora. Known for charm bracelets, but the app also offers rings, earrings, and necklaces with customization. Customers enjoy reading feedback from real buyers to choose meaningful pieces. Number 5. Kay Jewelers app. It provides price match guarantees, secure financing, and user ratings to make every jewelry purchase feel safe and satisfying. These apps offer what Ross Siemens fans want most: verified quality, real photos, and reliable reviews to guide your purchase. Whether you're shopping for a romantic milestone, a birthday surprise, or something sparkly just for you, you deserve jewelry that shines. Explore these trusted apps, compare your favorites, and enjoy the beauty of a purchase you'll treasure forever.